Okay, so welcome to 2015 paper one, question one. So we'll just get started here. Now again, as I always remind you, it's best that you pause this and have a go at each part yourself. So let's go, get stuck in. Porrig works in America and travels between Ireland and America. Okay, whatever. So the crux of the question here is it's an exchange rate question. He exchanged 2,000 euro for dollars, US dollars. The exchange rate was €1 equals $1.29. It's called the good old days. It's closer to €1 equals $1.10 now, if not less. So your conversion factor is the important thing here. Okay, and really it's a statement of equality. So really if €1 is the same thing as $1.29, €2 is twice that, €3 is three times that. So €2,000 is 2,000 times that. This is a 10B question, so there's a scale be probably like 0, 4, 10. Okay, so I've stated the statement there and multiplying the both sides by 2000. That's just being algebraically consistent, but ultimately it's this calculation that matters. I come out with a figure of 2580 and I make sure I put the currency symbol, which is the units. Okay, so that's part A. Now again, I say pause part B and come back to me when you're finished. So this is a bit more complicated. Porrig returned to Ireland and exchanged $21,000 for euro. Now he received €15,000. So that's your statement of equality right there. So to get the attempt, first thing I would do is go, well, 21K equals 15K. Okay. Now it's dollars to, so whatever, dollars, and that's euro. Okay. Write the exchange rate for this transaction in the form of €1 equals how many dollars? So it's this side, it's actually swapped around. So I could, for just clarity, go 15,000 euro. So keep it consistent with the conversion on the left, and that's $21,000. $21,000 on the right here. So it's dollars. Now, this is, I suppose, an equation. It's supposed to be a one. If I want to convert this 15,000 back to one, the only way to do it is to divide it by itself. Okay, so 15,000. Now, in algebra, if you do something to one side, you have to do it to both sides. So now, when I'm messing around typing it, I have the answer built in here. So I've divided both sides by 15,000. Okay, put it to the calculator and divide by itself is one. So €1 equals the equivalent of 1.4 in dollars. And I've written my answer down here. They already have the currency symbol built in. Okay, so straightforward enough when you know what you're doing. Then again, part C, I'll assume you're going to pause and have a go at it. Okay, so even more words. So be careful now when any question has too many words, or any words really, you should reread it as many times as you need to. So Porrig wants to exchange some dollars for sterling, right? So we've added in a new currency on a day when the euro to dollar is €1 equals $124. And the euro to sterling exchange rate is €1 equals 0.83 pence, or 0.83 of a pound. Find the dollar to sterling exchange rate. Okay, so what you're going to do here, the answer, okay, so you want $1 equals whatever. And the principle here is, well, if €1 equals that and €1 equals that, aren't they $1.24 equal to 0.83 pence, or 0.83 of a pound? Okay, so let's go to the answer. We get that point going across there. So $1.24 equals 0.83 pence. I just said that. Now they want in the form of $1 equals what amount of pounds? Now, same thing as before. If you want to convert $1.24 into one, you need to divide it by itself. Follow the rules of algebra. If you do something to one side of an equation, you must do it to both. Okay, so I've done that. I've highlighted that here. That's calculator job. Okay, so and divided by itself is 1. Okay, 0.83 divided by 1.24 gives you 0.67. Okay, so that's part C. Oh, okay, that's the end of it. Okay, grand question. Okay, now if you're good at currencies, can't predict if it will or will not come up, but the basics of the algebra are pretty simple. And if you're being consistent, you should be able to tackle any question that they ask. Okay, so we're having a practice questions in the your textbook if you're having any problems. But don't forget to ask me again if you want me to go through specifically any parts of this. Okay, thanks very much.